Hi guys, we are doing a Savannah haul for the first time. Believe me, I have started a channel in 2021 or 2022. In all these years, I've never done any clothing haul kind of a thing. So here I am with my very first Savannah haul. I've seen that people like to watch Savannah haul so much. So I was like, okay,
let me do one too.
so here I am with a little bit of my shopping that I've done from Savannah. By the way, I haven't done this shopping all at once. Savannah takes a long time to arrive. तो सारा सामान ऑर्डर करते मुझे 2-2.5 महीने लग गए ये सब इकट्ठा करने में. And finally I'm here with you guys to share everything that I got. By the way, just in case you guys are thinking कि मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी इधर उधर है,
I don't have a mic. I don't have a mic. I need to buy one.
this haul has activewear plus a few quad sets. So without any further ado, let's begin. I'm gonna start directly with activewear, and the first thing that I've got is this. This is a very pretty full sleeve sheer gym top. This comes in 2 layers, and the best part about it is that it hugs your body. I bought it in size S, and you can see the net. It's not very sheer, it's not something that will poke your skin. It is the net that you need, and this was priced at 990. I paid something around 633 rupees for this, and I must tell you guys, this is the most amazing टॉप दैट यू कैन गेट राइट नाउ दैट आई गॉट. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस भी है. यू गेट वाइट, black and blue. I am honestly like super bored of wearing black and a blue top. This is a very cute powder blue. This is trending right now. In all, I am just in love with this quality and this top. This is very stylish and looks fabulous. You can pair it with a pant, you can wear it with a jeans. एंड मुझसे तो इस आउटफिट में बहुत ही कम वर्कआउट हुआ, क्योंकि अगर मैं पहन के चली गई तो मुझसे स्टाइल ही मारी जाएगी इस आउटफिट में. व्हाट यू गाइज वांट टू हियर? डू आई रिकमेंड दिस? 100% yes. Get this top, wear it anywhere, not only gym. This is like a sports t-shirt, but you can wear it anywhere. So yeah, that's the first article. The second number article is this. This is a mid-support sports bra, and I got this in size M. The actual price is 590, but I paid 322 rupees. And this is how it looks like. For obvious reasons I cannot wear it and show you guys, but this is what it looks like. I have this right here. The actual price is for 590, but I paid something around 322 rupees, and this is what it looks like. So in very cute blush color. The color is what I like the most about this. इसमें बहुत सारे colors थे, trust me, बहुत सारे colors थे, but I really wanted something in pink kind of a thing. So I got this in this beautiful pink color, and I feel the material is also something which is giving very cottony vibe. Though it's not cotton, I know for sure. इसमें कुछ ना कुछ, इसमें कुछ spandex वगैरह मिला हुआ होता है. I do like the entire design that it looks like, and the lower band is fabulous. And the best part about this is that it's not a built-in cup. You can actually remove the pads and you can wear and wash this. That I've got is a gym legging, but yes, this is in black color. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So ta-da! It is the black classy gym legging that you get. And I'll tell you why I bought this, because the stitching that you get for the crotch area, I have bad experiences with this crotch area. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करके always tear. I don't want any wear and tear in my gym leggings when I'm doing the workouts. I was little cautious while buying all this कि I want something जिसमें ये seamless fit eye be a little more secured. So when you see this particular thing have a double stitching kind of a situation going on. So यहाँ पे ये waist की इधर तो जैसा classic रहता है वैसा ही है, but यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूँ the area where I will have my this middle area actually have this extra kind of fabric, and it just stretch as well. It will not cause any kind of wear and tear, and that's what I was looking for when I was searching for this gym legging. So I must tell you that this is amazing. Again, I'm showing you guys कितना ज़्यादा stretch होता है, and I personally have heavy legs and heavy thighs, so I always wanted something जो मुझे support करे. जो I think this is the thing that is perfectly fitting me right now. It's very seamless around your crotch area. Part about is that it is in black color. I really wanted this in brown, but मुझे इसमें color options नहीं मिले. Black is always the winner in anything. So that's the second article. That was the third article. I do have a glove to share with you all. Let me tell you that I'm not super satisfied with this quality, because it ये फट चुका है ऑलरेडी. मैंने इसको कितने दिन 10-15 दिन यूज़ किया होगा एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी गॉन. एंड ऐसे पहन के वर्कआउट करने में यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ स्वेट. इट्स लाइक सुपर डर्टी, सो आई एम जस्ट लिटिल कॉन्शियस टू शो you guys. It's rubbery. It's like not even made out of any cloth. It's rubbery in texture and उसमें से ना chunks निकलते हैं ऐसे rubber के. So it's not a very great choice to get the gloves from here. The next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is quad sets. So I've got 2 quad sets with me which are like super amazing for travel. I'm gonna show you guys this very viral quad set that I've got. I bought this in beige color. Finally I have something in beige. So this is like a piece of 2 that comes. So this is the pant. Here's a top. It also has a very good detailing about it. So the moment you pull the strings, it frames a very beautiful shape around your bust and it just gives you that, it forms a very beautiful shape around your bust and it is like super loose in fitting. I'm just in love with this quality. So first of all, the material is very soft and cozy. I have heavy arms and I'm a little conscious about my arms, so it just covers it all. If you wear this will not cause a lot of lint. बहुत बार lint हो जाते हैं and बहुत गंदा लगता है. This will not cause this. And also let me talk about the pant. This is like a perfect airport look one can have. The only thing that I'm a little conscious about here is कि इसमें कोई drawstrings नहीं है. तो अगर ये लूज हो गया then I think the pant will be loose. So you guys have to take care of that. Other than that, I do like the entire thing and you guys can see what the flare looks like. It's like this flary. So the next quad set is this particular thing. It has a very beautiful butter yellow color. इसमें पता नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा yellow दिख रहा है, but trust me, this is not this yellow here because of the lighting. It is looking that yellow, but it's very light butter yellow in color. So this has lots of color options, but again, I did not wanted to buy something in black or white, so I got this pretty butter color. प्यारा flary pant है and plus इसमें तो आपको drawstrings में मिलेगी drawstrings, so you can actually adjust it. And also this has a very cute bow detailing. The only part that I did not like about this is that this is like super sheer. You wear something very neutral underneath. आप कोई चटक कलर का कपड़ा इसके नीचे नहीं पहन सकते हो. You have to be cautious about this. Other than that, the quality looks fabulous. Again, this fabric is super stretchy. Also, this has pockets in it. You get pockets on both the sides. Comes with a full sleeve top, very long full sleeve top. So it has the same bow detailing in here. It's a perfect traveling set that one can have. Also the material is super soft. Also it is summer friendly, so you can actually wear it in summers as well. And of course it has full sleeves, so if you're going out and you're scared of getting tanned, this is perfect because the material is breathable. You will not feel a lot of heat and stuff. So that's that. The flare pants that I have. So the best part about this pant is the flare and it is high-waisted. This particular thing does not come with a pocket. I'm so much in love with this fit. It does not give you a camel toe. It is just something that will fit you perfectly. Also, I personally believe that you can always wear this and pair this thing with anything. The only drawback it has got is like it has no pockets. So yes, one should definitely check before getting this. And also it looks so amazing. Everyone should have something like that in their wardrobe, and I've recently learned that. Matches and cinches your waist together and gives you a very clean, polished look. So that's it about my Savannah haul. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, then please subscribe down below and hit the like button. And do let me know if you guys want to see some more Savannah vlog or haul. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!